In this video, we are going to go ahead and replace the three primary filters on our RO system. This is stage 1, 2, and 3. The first stage is a polypropylene sediment filter, and the second and third stages are carbon block filters. These filters are compatible with many APAC systems, including this one, which is the RO90. We begin by shutting off the main cold water line. We then shut off the ball valve to the reserve tank. We then open the faucet to relieve any pressure in the system. Go ahead and get the wrench that came with your RO system. This wrench will allow you to remove the filter housings. My RO system is not mounted, so what I like to do is just put it on the ground, remove all three housings at the same time, and lift the body of the RO system off of them. I go ahead and remove all three of the old filters and dump out the water from inside. Make sure that the filter housings are undamaged and all the O-rings are in place. We are now ready to unwrap and insert our new filters into the housing. We are almost done. We just need to go ahead and tighten them back into place. We will go ahead and hand tighten them first and then use the wrench. I'm going to go ahead and carefully put the filter system back into place without pinching any lines. Now then, we are ready to reopen the water system. I'm going to slowly twist the cold water supply back on. Make sure you do this slowly because you don't want the pressure to come in really quickly. Open the ball valve and the faucet. And that's it. Easy peasy. Anybody can do this. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful.